Hello my friend, we are in lesson 2 of teaching jewelry design instruction. In previous lesson we are in curve part in a first floor. We was in there, and in this lesson we teaching second floor of curve parts to you. Okay, in the second floor we have the fillet curves. For example, we have this pulley curve. In these curves we have 1 2 3 4 5 corners. We have 1 2 3 4 5 corners. I changed this corner. I want a sharper corner. Yes, we have a 1 2 3 4 5 corners. In second floor, in the curve parts, we have the fillet curves. Click on fillet curves and then zoom in to the one of corners. First, second, yes, we have made a fillet of curves, and then other, okay, and then these, okay, and other look like this, these. But when I want to, or we want to fillet in these corners, we are click on the fillet curves, and then we can change the radius of filleting in here in the command bar. Radius, for example, 0.5, 0.7, for example. Okay, and when I want to join the, when filleting the corners, join the corners together in this command bar. Join no, I want to join yes. With this setting we are clicking on our corners. Okay, we have a fillet with 0.7 radius, and the curves is joined together. Okay, the next order is fillet corners. What's the meaning of fillet corners? When I want to filleting all corners in our lines, we have, for example, we have 1 2 3 4 5 corners. I want with a one time clicking and then filleting the all corners. We clicking on this bottom fillet corners, fillet all corners. This bottom filleting all corners. Click on it and then click on our line and typing a radius fillet or fillet radius. Okay, for example 0.3, and then enter, and the finish we see filleting with this radius all the corners we have. Okay, the next bottom is chamfer curves. In the previous bottom we fillet the curves, but in these bottoms we chamfer curves. Chamfer curves, what's the meaning of? This is chamfer. We are clicking on chamfer, okay, and then click two line of my corners, our corners. This is chamfer, yeah. See it? Is it sharper? But fillet is smooth. Chamfer is sharp, but fillet is very smooth. The next button is create UV curves. I draw a surface, for example. In this button, that means create UV curves. When I projecting or writing, or better I say drawing a curves or shape on our surfaces, we can use this button in this form. For example, we made a surface look like that, and then we need to put the something on the surface, but surface we can flat or have a curvy shape or multi-shape, multi-form. But this is very simple for teaching for you, to you. We have this surface. We want to draw this. Go to top. Okay, We can with the two or three way to projecting or drawing this line to this surface in the second floor in curves, clicking and creating UV curves, okay, and the surface we want to drawing on it, and then right click. We have the surface in the plan, and then put this curve on it. We can make a surface and then projecting on it, but now I am not arriving this lesson to the surface. In the future I teaching you, for example, on it. Yes, this lesson is it look like a chain, is step by step, is all of these lessons and icons is matched together and work together, work with him, work with each other, not working alone. You can fix it on it, or you can make it the surface with the curves look like this, and then projecting this curve if just because this is a flat. When I create UV curves, our UV curves have a flat surface. Projecting with this, with the project in our previous lesson, we have this. Now I drawing this curve with the project and this surface. I delete this surface, and then we are selected all these curves, and then go to the second floor. We made these curves with the create UV curves, and then back to or drawing this curve to our surface with this apply UV curves, okay. Select the surface to apply the planar curves, okay. Select this surface to apply these planar curves to this that planar curves to this surface. We have this curve on our surface very clearly. This is very good icon because we can drawing our curves without any changes in shape of curves, form of curves, without change. Okay, this is a trout points. What's meaning of that? When I have many 2 3 or many points, or we can make with these icons this single point. We can adding points, okay. We are having many points. We can select these points and then clicking on this icon trout points, okay. When I clicking, we have the curves throughout these points, okay. You can change the curve types or the degree. For example, this is 3, I want to 7. We can change on these curves. Interpolated, you can change to control points, okay. Click on control points. This point is control point of this, can be shown the control point of these curves, but when we're clicking on interpolated, it's different. And we can clicking on close, the curve is closed, but no, just have a curve interrupt after this point. Other icon is extend curve. We have this curve, but I want to adding a little curve to this curve. I want to continue this curve in 2 mm. Clicking on this icon, you can change the type, smooth arc line. You can just draw a line or arc and other things. You can try this to know what's meaning of this. I choose the arc type, clicking on my curves, right click, and we can extend in this curve. We can choosing 2 point or center. 2 point means the points I want to draw into this, okay. For example, in here, extending, or just clicking on curves and then yes, arc, and we have the line to here, for example. Yes, this is extend curves. We can extend that.